How you doing?
Hey. It's a rainy day here in Miami.
It's very rainy and wet and gross, and I don't want to do anything.
We're doing it.
Yes. What are we doing?
I guess we're doing this.
Watching wrestling.
Oh yeah, I gotta catch up.
Yeah,
I'm behind.
we fell asleep, and then we went to the movies on Monday, and now we're watching Raw before SmackDown, and I feel like it's gonna be like a wrestling-filled day, isn't it?
Right. You have enough light here? Or
Yes.
is maybe that better?
I guess that's better.
Oh, well maybe like light from outside is always better too. Maybe having some more light is good, huh? Wait, which one?
Having a hard time? Oh.
See, it's better lighting than before, isn't it?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Now you're backlit.
Better?
No.
We need to invest in more lights.
We were just there.
Where?
At like Home Depot or something, where I said,
Oh, we're getting a light
should we
in the
get a
mail.
light bulb?
We're getting a light in the mail.
We're getting a light bulb, not like a light.
It's a light.
That's true. Okay.
It's not like a lighter. You get a light.
Well, happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday. What's up? You're all bundled up like a burrito.
Hi.
Hi.
I just watched a video on the YouTube of the Iconics getting their side plates.
Mm-hmm.
They're really funny.
Yes, they're very funny.
They're very entertaining. I like them.
I think that's the whole goal of an entertainer. That's to be entertaining.
Yes.
And I see that you are entertained.
It was iconic.
Yes. Okay. Today was a lazy day.
Yes.
Once in a while, it's good to have a lazy day.
Especially when it's raining outside.
We've been well, yeah. I was gonna say today was a rainy day, and you should have a rainy day. Except if you live in the desert, you probably don't get a lot of rainy days.
No.
Okay, so anyway.
That was a fun, lazy day.
Yeah, I think I'll go to bed now. I'm tired.
Yeah, me too. See you guys later. Monkeys
Peace out.
out.